welcome to Sinai's room.
Welcome to Sinai's room.
Okay,
can I get a room tour?
Yeah, so first is my
Vlogmas Day. Hey, let's have some fun. Let's make some food. Let's have some fun. Let's do some pranks. Let's do a little everything. Let's have some fun. Let's have some joy. Let's have some fun. Hey, watch the whole thing. Let's have some fun. Hey, you'll get some laughs. You'll be cracking up. Hey, long as you subscribe, we gon' crack it up. We gon' light it up. The whole thing. Matter of fact, I think I said I got my girl ring. Now you light up the tree, let's do the thing. Light up the tree, let's cause a scene. Get the dog, we gon' have some fun. Hold on, babe, come give me a kiss too. I love you too, I love our crew. Hey, 60 squad, what it do?
What up, CT Squad? CT again, y'all. We back with another video. And today, y'all, I'm nappy-headed. And, y'all, Shaquille don't want to be on camera today because she don't look too good. So,
not right now.
We about to pimp Nia room today, y'all. So today, y'all, we pimping Nia room. And, y'all gonna watch us get into the video, y'all. Hey, if y'all new to this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure you lit. Make sure you smash that like button, comment down below, and watch the video all the way through. Y'all, we about to get to this rooms. Leg out. Yeah, get the bags. Y'all, my hair over here looking tall, like fucked up and all that. But I gotta get Nia room together, y'all. So y'all, I need y'all here with me, y'all. Y'all see this? All this, all that, all that. We gotta get this together, y'all, and we gotta look.
Y'all gotta get myself together too. Look, Nia's the only one that got her hair done, and she not even got her hair done all the way. I gotta flat iron. But yeah, we getting ourselves together.
Yeah, cause man,
we can do this.
Yeah, so look.
What a drill.
Babe.
Ow.
It's fucking up shit already.
Oh, it's R for reverse. Reverse. Reverse is left.
She ain't even got the right piece in there.
It's not working.
Do you got the right piece in there?
Yeah, it fit.
Babe, that's...
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's what it said. But yeah, it's the right one. Look. You got the bigger one? Look, it fit perfectly.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing. But it's in there tight.
I know what I'm doing.
I can't do it. Let me see if I can do this one.
What?
Because then they can have this whole piece. And we can just keep this one. I'm tired.
It's early in the morning. What you think we expect? We have.
Help me.
Look, we was at Mama's house all last night, having fun.
No, it sure was. Game night was fun. You can't do it either.
Better try again. Watch this. Backpack. What do you need? Do I need a flathead?
Oh, yeah. I might need that.
Pliers? Or
a screwdriver.
Or a screwdriver.
Which utensil does he need to take down the bed? A, B, C. If you choose C, you got it right. What's wrong with us, y'all? You got it wrong because that didn't work. Let's go back into our handy dandy bag. Yeah! We're making this a kid show. Y'all, we about to get together. It's the last day for Christmas. Everybody about to get their hair done. Everybody about to get their gifts wrapped. Well, Deontray gifts.
I gotta go wrap some gifts too.
Oh.
Golly.
Yeah, he got to still wrap Naya.
I gotta wrap all y'all gifts.
Now I gotta wrap whatever's left. I gotta wrap Naya gifts, and then we gotta finish her room. This should probably take like 2 hours. You know what? While you're doing that, no, I'm gonna wait. But yeah,
Yeah.
What?
My bad for cutting you off.
I wasn't
Yeah.
about to say that.
You was talking.
I was still thinking.
Oh. Yeah.
What?
That's a lot to do.
It's not. Y'all, if y'all been in that room, it's not a lot to do. Her room is small. We're not even touching half of the stuff. We're just cleaning up.
I can't wait till my baby get a big room.
Yeah,
like
a bigger room with a bathroom.
This like the attic room. It's still a room.
It's not an attic room.
But
It's a room.
this
was Ayana's room.
Look, y'all. What y'all call this room up here? It's all the way upstairs.
It's got a whole window.
Yeah, it got a window.
TV. That's a room for a kid.
Yeah. But I want it to be all on one level.
Yeah, I want her to have her own bathroom. I want to decorate that too.
What kid have her own bathroom?
Yaya from Painting Squad. She had her own bathroom.
Man, they've been doing this for a long time.
Okay, my baby can have her own bathroom. We're going to all have our own next house. I plan on having everybody have their own bathroom. In their room.
Yeah.
So that's the house.
Babe, you filthy.
First of all, I'm a lady. I don't do that. Y'all know men.
Babe,
Y'all know men.
Look me in my face right now.
I didn't do it.
So why are you smiling?
Did you do it? Say, look at my face. Say you didn't do it.
You did it.
No, say you didn't do it.
You did it.
That's a liar for you. And you stink. Yeah, that's how y'all know he did it. He not even saying nothing. Anywho, what was I even saying before you did that? Just like a man.
My bad. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I'm using that clip right there.
No, you leaving all that in.
No, yeah, I'm using that for a thumbnail. See, I was arguing.
We weren't arguing. We talking. We
but
communicating.
the thumbnail.
Oh.
It's a good thumbnail.
Okay.
Come on, let's do this bag. Come on.
That way, no, you just unscrew this junk. But anywho, y'all, we're about to get her room together, and I guess y'all can see us get the room together. But I'm gonna put it right there.
Yeah. You're not supposed to go on, and that's her diary. Yeah, that's in there for something for a reason she wrote in there. Let's be nosy.
Oh, she said my life is nice. My mom is nice to me, and my dad's nice to me, and I love them. Oh, this was so cute. This was last year. Oh, they cried.
I love you too, baby.
Sorry, you
What?
notes.
I told Mom not to go in there. I found it, but and she had it hidden in this box. Like some, what movie she be watching? What the heck? You had stuff in the box for? She got fingernails in here. She got fingernails. Pop it. Why you studying her book, babe? Get out her book. That is so cute. This is in my dad's grade. I'm in the second grade. This is in the second grade. My mom was nice. My teacher was down this window.
Look, y'all.
Oh, nice little diary. Put it back.
I'm telling.
No, you're not.
Oh, let's take a thumbnail with this.
We found my diary.
Clean up her room. Oh, yeah.
Gotcha, man.
Yeah, put it back.
I am.
Well, she gonna know we moved it.
She ain't been in this in a whole year.
All right, then maybe she writes something this year.
I'm gonna tell her to, cause we found it.
Why you gotta tell her? She know when to write. Ain't that right?
That's so cute.
Hey,
I found my baby first diary. And she said it was nice. That's because they're in school.
To death.
She don't know what the hell nice is or mean. She don't know what that means.
She know what mean mean. She know what mean is. She be in my bed so much. She gonna be happy she ain't got. Look, she gonna be happy she ain't got that bunk bed.
Yeah, she got a big girl bed. She can get the bed just like that.
Mama, like that. Time. It's family time.
You got her go hit that back.
Yeah. Hey, baby, they still right there too.
Who?
Them right there.
Oh, y'all still there?
Yeah, they still here, y'all.
Y'all still there watching us?
Hey, if you watch this video all the way through,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And we appreciate you.
And 2023, we're gonna start doing we're gonna try to do a little giveaway.
Yeah.
At least $10, $20, at least for something, y'all. But
Some gas cards or something.
yeah, some gas cards, Roblox cards, Fortnite cards. Look, I don't know, little anything.
Little thing go a long way.
Yeah. Well, I'm like Nia in her bed. Swing my foot.
Yeah, you get real comfortable. Look, rubber bands. This is what the hell.
Why did you just look for the rubber bands?
She took them.
For that doll head. Alright, yeah, look, we on our way to go get Nia now. Her room look nice, y'all.
Yeah, did we even get one? We're gonna show y'all when we show her.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, her room looks so nice. But it turned out real good. I think she gonna like it.
Yeah, I think she gonna love it. She gonna sleep in it.
Yeah, so we on our way to go get Nia from my mom's house. And Christmas is in the morning, y'all.
Yeah, and the fun pajamas.
Yeah. If y'all watch us build it, how far? If y'all watch us build it, tell us what y'all think the room was gonna look like.
Yeah, it's gonna look like not look good, or it's gonna look good. I thought it was gonna look like okay, but it turned out to be like perfect.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love it. You love it. Hopefully Nia love it. And yeah, we gonna have to tell her about her book.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna tell her we found her book.
On her little diary. It was so cute though.
Yeah, but look, hey y'all, if y'all in Michigan, like we in Pontiac right now. Look, we're about to flip the camera around so y'all can see these streets in here.
Man, I tell you.
All right, here we come now. Look, here's your one gift. You ready for your one gift?
Yes. Now, can I get up there?
Come on. Oh, let's see. Let's go see your room.
Oh, you scared.
Girl,
What?
this your first gift to open.
Yeah, it's your gift.
Your room, and look what you just said. You sleeping in your room. So now you can enjoy your room. You like
So
it?
who gonna sleep if I got company? Who gonna Let's see.
I'm gonna get an air mattress.
Yeah. But do you like it?
Yes.
Look, you got some new blinds.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah.
In the thing.
Let me yours.
You got your picture up.
Hold on. You read a page.
What's that about? I like what I saw in there
You
though.
say your mom nice and your dad nice.
Yeah.
You don't let me cry.
I told her not to go in your
My
book.
name is Naya.
Little diary.
That's not my diary.
Well, me. That's what you said to her. She said she was mad.
It's a diary. But yeah, so you like your room?
Like one of your birthday, I said birthday gift. One of your Christmas gifts. Yeah. Clean, organized room. We didn't clean that. So whatever's in there is in there.
Yeah.
And whatever's in there is organized.
Then you got this side of your room
You got your school side. So
with your drawers.
that's for
Don't
homework.
look in these drawers.
I heard it was in them.
You got all the books. But yeah, this one of your gifts. Here you go. Give us a hug.
That's what we were doing.
Yeah, that's
I can't wait.
yeah, that's why we
That's what we
can't
were doing
wait.
the whole time. Cleaning your dirty room. And they saw how dirty your room was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't let it get back like that.
Let's
Like you
go.
got your stuff labeled.
Ooh, I got another one.
Let's go to the thingy, right? The boss.
No.
The boss thing.
No.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Who watches it?
Mine's.
Hold on, so now, hold on. Let me see. So how you gonna come to your door?
Do your room tour. Do your room tour.
Yeah. Can I get a room tour?
Yeah.
All right. So let me knock. Let me get a room tour. I want to know what Naya doing today. I might go to her room.
Hello, welcome to Sanai's room.
Welcome to Naya room.
Okay,
Can I get a room tour?
Yeah, so first is my
Clothes.
clothes, yeah, and then this is where I do homework with mom permission. Homework to do this break, and then this is like
It's your stuff for your craft. Cause you got books and stuff in there, so you got something for your craft. Okay. What's right here? What's this wall right here?
oh, it says this girl won't stop.
Okay.
And then I got my purse. And then
One of your purses.
All right.
and then I come over here. And then I got my makeup station.
Okay.
So yeah. Sorry. So this is all my brushes and like stuff. My diary. And my guitar, glasses, makeup, and a cue for no reason. And then here's comes my bed. I have my glue pillow. When I do this, that means a boy. And
What?
Huh?
when I have a girl,
Oh.
I do a pink. Yeah, I have
I
Oh.
thought that meant like it was a boy in the bed. You gotta turn it blue or something.
Oh no, she said when you have a baby, you can do girl or boy. All right. And who is these little people in this bed?
This is Weenie, and then this one is Butterfly, and then this one is not. I don't like.
Why you like that dog?
Hold on, that's not mine. Well, I can't find it though.
Okay, then
And show them your artwork.
Where?
we got this lovely
That's
picture
my
right here.
artwork.
Did that handmade?
Yeah.
Cool. And who's supposed to be?
I was trying to draw 3 because I didn't have no more spaces, so I just draw 2.
Okay. The other one downstairs. You still gotta put that one down.
Yeah. So this is Dad, cause he's the tallest in the house, and then this Mom and mine's downstairs somewhere.
Oh, you the baby.
Okay, hold on. Can we get